So there are 5 things you should look for in a practitioner when you're deciding who you want to work with. The first thing is you don't want to work with a person that only looks at one aspect of your health, like they only work on your gut health, or they only work on hormones, or they only work on your spiritual life, or they only work on your emotions, because we're not just a GI tract, we're not just a thyroid gland, we're not just an emotional being. All of these things are interconnected together and one impacts the other. They're all interrelated. So you want to find someone who understands how all these things work together and how to balance all of these things so that you can have a pathway moving towards your ideal health. The second thing is you have to understand that you cannot hack your way to wholeness. I know like right now it's very popular with a lot of things that are out there, hacks for health. So whether that's taping your mouth closed at night, or the magic supplements that's gonna cure all your problems, or some kind of cold therapy that's gonna solve everything, or whatever the hack happens to be that's like promoted as the thing that's gonna heal everything. Really like optimal health and restoring your wholeness and restoring a sense of well-being, it's not a result of hacks. Yes, there are lots of things we can do that support our body, but we want to understand why our body and why our energy system isn't functioning the way we want it to, and then we want to put it on a pathway, a multidimensional pathway that looks at a lot of different aspects of our being and our life and puts it on a pathway to be able to heal. So although hacks are fun and they're easy to do, it's not really a way that you're going to be able to restore your well-being to a way that's going to make you functional and happy and whole. The third thing is to make sure that the person you're working with knows what the different blockages and interferences are that can impact your health and have a proven way to be able to work with them. The fourth thing is you want to find someone who deals with health issues beyond just plying yourself full of supplements. Supplements are important and they're always beneficial ones you can take, but to be having to take handfuls and handfuls and handfuls of supplements every day just to be able to balance your health, that's actually can become pretty toxic for your body, even if it's a beneficial supplement. There are other ways to be able to increase our vitality. So someone who has the methods, methodologies, technologies to be able to heal your system in addition to a moderate and effective use of supplementation is really ideal. And the fifth thing is maybe the most important thing. One, it has to be someone you feel comfortable with and someone who you trust, someone who listens to you. And you also want someone who has a track record of getting results with people. Because honestly, life is short and it's too short to spend your time on things that don't work.